OKE Storage always chooses Q235B steel or plastic to produce upright protectors. The certificated material we used is from the biggest steel company in China. The height of our upright protector is 300 mm. And its thickness can be 3.0 mm. If you have other requirements, OKE Storage can support you customized services. The upright protector we produced has several types. There are U-type, L-type, plastic type, American type, and European type. For the surface finish, we can do both powder coating and galvanize. Generally we choose the yellow, RIL 1003, for the upright protector. But OKE Storage can customize them for you, if you have individualized requirements.